If you're wondering if Amina Muaddi heels are worth the money, I'm going to be reviewing her heels and letting you know everything. These shoes are called mules and they are sandals as well. I got them in the color pink. They have a beautiful design, which are the straps, and they are embellished with small studs. The shoe in specific is very easy to recognize because it has the heel, and as you guys can see, it's plastic and you can see right through it. This sandal in specific is more stable than a stiletto. If you're starting out with heels, this specific style and wedges are going to be your best friend. I wouldn't suggest stilettos. The sandals are perfect for summer and spring. You can dress them up or dress them down. These are pajamas and I wear those heels with my pajamas to go out, and I also wear it with jeans. You can also wear them with a skirt, with a dress. They're very versatile and you can really get a lot of looks from the sandals. The shoes are a little bit pricey. I wouldn't say a little, but they are considered luxury shoes. These shoes can go for close to $1,000, maybe more. For these in specific, I ended up paying a few hundreds, in the very low hundreds, because they were on sale. And like always, my size was the last size and the shoes were the last shoes on the website. I had wanted them for a really long time. I had seen them at the store and I didn't want to pay the price on the tickets, so I said I'll just look online. When they go on sale, I'll get them, and I was fortunate enough and I got them, and I am so happy with the quality of the shoes. So the shoes are made in Italy. They are made out of leather, and one of the things I noticed about the heel is that the strap in the front, it tends to glide off a little bit. I have little toes, so if you have longer toes, I don't think you're gonna run into that issue, but that was one thing. And then this strap really holds my foot in place. They fit very nice. They run true to size. Quality wise, I do think they are very durable. Usually with these shoes, if you take care of them, they're going to last you more. I believe it's because they're made out of leather and because she invests on really good materials, but the shoes are beautiful and definitely worth the splurge. This sandal specific, they have tons of other colors. One of the shoes I really like from her are the pumps that also have this heel in the back. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. The shoes are also very easy to walk in, and that's a huge plus. I've worn these to go out to lunch, I've worn them to go out to dinner, and I'm fine. I think they are very comfortable and very stylish and very classy. For me, they are just perfect. I would love a pair in other colors. The shoes are sold at Saks, My Teresa, I believe Nordstrom, Bloomingdale's. You can get them on a ton of stores, or what you could do is directly go to those big retailers and look for Amina Muaddi. She has a table for her, and there you can check out the shoes and you can try them on yourself. Pros of the shoes: they are very easy to walk in, they're beautiful, and they fit perfectly. This brand does have discounts, so you're able to find them at a discounted price online or at the store. For me, the main con would be the strap and also the price point, because if you like them and they just came out, you're gonna be paying a significant amount of money for the shoes unless you wait. Today, I'm gonna be reviewing Aquazzura Tati sandals. I'm gonna be giving you more information on the shoes and on the brand in case you've ever thought about buying a pair, so that you can know everything from quality to style. So please subscribe. And by the way, if you're new, my name is Marinella. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe, like, and comment this video, like that YouTube can recommend my videos to more and more people. Something that really grabbed my attention about the shoes is the strap in the back, because it has the gold detailing and then it has a little expander that just allows for the shoe to stay in place and to be worn without you worrying that the shoe is going to slip off. For these shoes, I don't think you have to wear like any type of tape in the back, because, well, obviously they are very sturdy and you are paying for very high quality. So something that I really loved about them is that they have the 3 straps in the front, and then they have this knot crisscross effect, and that's something that's very in right now. The bottom of the shoe, in case you guys want to buy a pair so that you know what the real thing is like, it has the pineapple and then it has a leather sole in brown. On the inside of the shoe, you're going to notice the brand Aquazzura. It has the logo, and then it has the insole, which is also leather. It's stitched in. This is not glued. And then the toe box is in gold. Something that you're gonna notice if you ever try these shoes on is that they're very light, and that makes them very comfortable because no one wants to walk around with heavy shoes. That's something that I've noticed with high-end designers. The shoes tend to be very, very light. Also, something that I really liked about them is that these shoes can be worn with a casual outfit, or they can be worn with something that's a little bit more dressed up. For example, a wedding, a graduation, a special event. These shoes would be perfect. Something that I also love about them is that the front and the heel height are well compensated, which allows for them to be more comfortable. I do notice that the heel in the back, the gold that it has, I do think that it's a sensitive material. If you by any chance get the heel scratch, well, obviously it's going to show a lot just because of the color. So in my opinion, I think the shoes are definitely worth the money. They are very comfortable when you walk in them. And if you ever want to get a pair, you can do so at Saks, you can do so at Bloomingdale's, at Nordstrom. There was a time when this brand had a significant discount, and a lot of people took advantage of that and they bought the shoes. Now, if you find a sketchy website that sells them and the price seems too good to be true, well, then most likely they are not original. Just always go to those stores, or you can go directly on their website, and then there they also have sales going on. These shoes are probably going to go down in price as time passes because when new collections come in, they reduce the pricing. Now I want to tell you guys a little bit about the box. So the box is a turquoise color. It's beautiful, and something that I really loved is on the inside it has a little saying which goes, if the shoes fit, buy them in every color. So it also comes with the little bag which is used for you to put your shoes. For example, if you wear the shoes for a while and you want to take them on and put on flats, you can do so in this bag. And then what I don't do that with my shoes in particular, what I do is that I put them in my closet, and what I do is that I organize them by category and by color so that when I'm looking for something, I'm able to find them. Honestly, something I've learned in life is that for things to last, you have to take care of them. So that's something that I do to store my shoes. And I've noticed that my shoes are in good condition because of me doing that. So would I recommend the shoes? Well, absolutely. I think you should definitely check this brand out. Are they comfortable to walk in? I think they are super comfortable to walk in, and these are definitely shoes that are going to last me a very, very long time. So I hope that you loved this video and that you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please like, comment, and subscribe because that really helps me. It allows for YouTube to recommend my videos to more and more people. I do have other playlists here on my channel. I've been on cruises, so I've documented where I've been. I've given you tips so that you can get an insight of what you can expect on excursions, on the foods, on the restaurants that are on the cruises, and there's a little bit of everything. I do also have other shoe reviews here on my channel, and yeah, I think you're gonna really like everything. So I hope you subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.